Assalamualaikum everyone and hi to all. Today I am going to start to demonstrate you the new software for the kids 3 onward. It can use. We can easily design different type of shape inside that one and other many things when you are going to export inside that one. FMSLogo, we will double click on it. You can easily download from net FMSLogo. When you click here, and we will go for free download FMS logo. Now it will come, it will take some time. We will go there, and how we will use this one. This video I will teach you later on. If I write here, you type the command here, forward 50, you can use just like that, right? Okay. If you click here zoom in, it will zoom in. This is using for zoom out. And we click here zoom in, or if you click here normal, right? For if you write for forward, or if you want to write FD 100, it will go for the 100 forward. Backward, if you write backward 200, it will be come back 200, or BK you will write 200, it will be back 200. Okay, now if you give the wrong command, then it will take this one. I don't know how to backward. Okay, now you want to clear screen, you will write clear screen, will clear. Now how you will turn right and left side, will go there, and you can, if you drag this one, take some space between that one. Okay, now I want to go there, this starter to FD 100, enter, and RT right 90, again FD 100, and right RT 90, and FD forward 100, and RT right 90, and FD forward 100. It will make a square. A different type of shape you can easily design inside that one. Pen up using for without drawing, it will be forward 200 without drawing, right? Pen up. When you are going to draw something, pen down will be used for that purpose. Pen down, and you will go for forward 100. Now LT left 90. Again we will go, if you click here and go for 100, and left 90, again forward left 90, and again forward 100. Now you can make the other square with that one, right? Now if you are going to design the more, you can. If we write here set repeat command, repeat is using to repeat any task number of times. For example, repeat, we will first clear screen, clear screen, and we will going to repeat 4 times bracket FD 200, we give the space, and RT 90. Now let's see. Now it will be draw the square with the repeat command. Only one time we write, and it will be repeated number of times. Now we are going to set the screen and change the color and change the pen color, right? We can. Okay, now if I write here clear screen and repeat 350 and forward FD for number 5 and RT number 5. Now let's see what will be happen. Press enter. Now it will make a circle, right? Again, if you click here and you will draw, it will make a circle. If you change this one, in 50, let's see, you draw big one. Again we'll go there and we'll go for here only 10. Let's see, we'll draw a circle there, right? Now clear screen. Again you want to draw, let's see this one, we will design here, we click here. Now it will be big, right? If you click here and 15, enter, right, it will change. Now subscribe my channel and click on bell icon, and I am making the new video, it will automatically come to you, and write the comments, right, and give the suggestion. I will inshallah improve the video also. And next time we will change the color of the pen, and also inside that one background screen, right? Okay, how you will save that one file, and you can save and give the name, right, easily, right? You can save there, right? You will give the name for ASAD, you can. And if you want to open the new one, for example, if you open the activity, now this one, open new one, you can, right? Okay, now how you will exit from here? Exit. Okay, Allah Hafiz and take care. Inshallah I will make a new video. Allah Hafiz and take care. Bye.